Guys, we're Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to use a content separator with text or icons using WPBakery Page Builder WordPress plugin. So imagine the following scenario. We have two pieces of content, one right here and one right here, and on your page, and you would like to separate these pieces with a line and text, with a line and icon to better present your page, to separate better your content. And how to do this? First thing, go to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, make sure that your WPBakery plugin is installed. If you don't know how to do this, let me know in the comments so I can guide you. After, go to the page where you can find the sections where you would like to separate, or create a new page. Go to left sidebar of menus, page, add new page, hit the WPBakery Page Builder button into the upper left corner of your screen. Then we're gonna have two options, front end and back end. I'm gonna choose the classic back end before. After we're gonna move to the front end. So now we have the full layout and blank layout. As name explains, one have menu and footer of your theme, and other it's a blank layout. Perfect for landing pages. I'm gonna use the full one. Then I'm gonna add some contents on my page, okay? A text block, another one, and another one, and another one. So let's preview the results we got. And here we go. So as you can see, it's quite boring because there's no separation between those elements. How to separate? How to better separate it? First thing, you're gonna need to click into one of the plus buttons. You can click on this one, or maybe this one right here, up to you. I'm gonna click on this one, and into the upper right corner of your screen, next to the search icon, we're gonna click and type separator, just like this, separator. And right here we have the separator with text. That is the guy that we are looking for. I'm just gonna save the change and apply one to the end of each text and preview so you can see how it comes. Can you see? We have a text right here separating the contents. How to edit this? Hover a mouse over this line, hit this pencil icon to edit. It's gonna open the separator with text settings. First, you can change the title, just like this. You can change the position of the text. You can change the alignment. You can change the color, the style, the widget, the element widget, and you can even apply a CSS animation. Let me show you the change. Fancy, right? So this is basically what the plugin, what the element does, but let me publish the page. And now let's explore it into the front end. What is the difference? The front end is the view of the users have of your site. Okay, so when someone hits your site, they're gonna be able to see the site just like this, and you can edit and see the results and change immediately. For example, if I change this raw separator, in order to add an icon, for example, I'm gonna click yes on add icon, select the icon right here. Okay, I'm gonna have a couple of icons to play with. You can play with the colors. Let me make it a little bigger. Here is the result we got. Okay, you can see the result immediately, and if you click to edit, you can customize in order, for example, to remove text and have only the icon. You can drag and drop this into any part of your site in the case that you want, to make it more simple. And of course, after doing all the changes you want, review the upper right corner of your screen, hit the update button to save your change, and you are good to go. Simple, easy, and very effective. And you can even test the change you made into different screen sizes, okay? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. And I see you tomorrow. All the best!